In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wayfair Partner account in 2025. If you're looking to expand your business reach by selling on Wayfair, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it requires attention to detail. So let's get started. First, you'll want to visit the Wayfair Partner portal. This is your gateway to selling on this popular online retail platform. Open your web browser and go to partners.wayfair.com. Once you're on the page, look for the Sell on Wayfair section. Click on the Apply Now button, which will lead you to the application form, essential for becoming a Wayfair partner. In the application form, you'll need to fill in all the necessary details about your business. This includes contact information, business information, and logistical information that Wayfair requires to better understand how you will operate on their platform. Be sure to provide accurate and complete details, as this will help in getting your application reviewed efficiently. After submitting your application, the next step is a waiting game. Wayfair's team will review your application, and this process can take anywhere from a few days to a week. During this time, they carefully evaluate each aspect of your business to ensure a good fit for their marketplace. Upon approval, you'll receive an email invitation with instructions for logging into the Wayfair Partner portal. Once you receive approval, you're ready to set up your account. Log into the partner portal using the instructions provided in the email you received. Here, you will complete your business profile and make sure to accept Wayfair's terms and conditions. This is a crucial step that formalizes your partnership with Wayfair. With your account set up, the next step is uploading your products to the Wayfair marketplace. Populate your catalog with detailed product descriptions, high-quality images, and competitive pricing. Don't forget to set inventory rules and configure your shipping options. Properly setting up these details ensures your products are well represented on the platform and easily accessible to customers. Finally, once everything is ready and approved, you'll go live on Wayfair. This means your products are now visible to millions of potential customers. As orders start rolling in, you'll manage inventory, fulfillment, and returns, while Wayfair takes care of customer service and payments. And there you have it. You're now set up and ready to start selling on Wayfair. Remember, staying up to date with your inventory and keeping your product information current is key to maintaining a successful presence on the platform. As you begin this new journey, keep an eye on customer feedback and make any necessary adjustments to meet their needs. Good luck and happy selling!